Okay, let's begin our course today. Last time we finished install, extract, and install process, which took us a lot of time. And this week we want to configure the environment and the test Innovus. So first you need to configure the path and the license server. Basically, this is the procedure here is the same like before. So you need to create the path Innovus, then add one path here. And since you already have port 5280, so you don't need to modify your license file again. Now let's take a look at it source. EDA HRC EDA. Sorry, it is DDI now, not Innovus. The new directory name is called DDI. So the path is changed. You need to modify it to the correct path. Okay, then you will see this error. This is the error. This is the error it shows to you. So we need to go to the troubleshooting part. Okay. Okay, so later we will go to find this. We will go to find this, and please make sure that your path and the license server is set. Okay, I will leave the control to you. Please follow me to this step to fix this error.